Welcome, in front of me is a Nubia Music, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, you will need to take off the case of your device if you have one on, and the tray is located at the top left side of the device. You can see it right here where the pin is holding. You want to push it in. There we go. And as you can see, the tray will pop out enough for you to pull it out. And then on the tray you will have space for either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. If you're planning to use dual SIM, one of the SIM cards would go sideways on the SD tray like this. I am planning to use one of each, so I'm going to take it, plop it in its correct place, and then also plop the SD card in its tray. Make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray. As you can see, they do have a little bit of retention, so they shouldn't be falling out of the tray if you flip it over. Then insert it back into your phone, and both of these cards should start working right away, hence why it's popping up with the SIM card pin. And there we go. And it also gives me a message that issue with an SD card tough to fix. It's because it's formatted to be a bootable drive, but it is detecting that there is an SD card, and typically when your card is formatted correctly, it will just start working. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.